1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Sa channel ko, subscribe na kayo dyan at pinitin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago na
A few moments later.
video. Click the subscribe, like, share, subscribe, and forget to comment. Like the description box below for the rest my vlog. Bristol Sontes 400G model 2025 aspect. SRP 398,800. Engine type single cylinder 4 stroke 4 liquid cooled. Single overhead cam engine displacement 400cc. No off cylinder 4 stroke. Drive type belt drive. No off stroke 4 stroke. Maximum of power 38 horsepower. Maximum torque at 14 Newton meter at torque at no off cylinder 1. Bulb configuration single overhead cam. Tank capacity 17.5 liters. Dual channel ABS. Passing switch, engine check warning, side reflectors, traction control, accessories outlet, headlight lamp LED, indicator light LED, thumb lamp LED, brake, rear brake disc, front brake disc. Category scooter, seating capacity 2, starting option, electric, fuel supply system, FI, fuel type gasoline, gearbox variable speed, transmission type CVT, battery 12 volts, front suspension telescopic fork. Itong bago itong labas ni Sontes 400G ng Bristol ng Caloocan, either kahit anong launch kahit saan launch ng Bristol meron ito unit. Ang SRP niya pala ay 398,800,000 pesos. Ito isa siyang scooter bike na may traction control, tapos may passing switch, engine check warning, tapos dual ABS, tapos may side reflectors. Meron din siya. So, itong itong front brake naman niya, front brake na 220mm dual brake, front brake, dual disc brake na caliper. Floating disc. Ito siya, nilabas siya ng kung lagi ka nang gagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell para ma-update my videos. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Isa siyang single cylinder lang to. May 4-stroke liquid cooled single overhead cam engine na may capacity na fuel tank capacity na 17.5 liters. Na ito ay ang fuel consumption niya ay may 9 9.8 10.8 per kilometers. Kung lagi ka nang gagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click the notification bell para for more updates, for more upload these my videos. Ito siya may ito yung mga ano niya, yung mga dimension. Category scooter, seating capacity 2. Na may starting option electric, na may fuel supply system FI, fuel types gasoline na siya, at may length siya na 2025. Tapos width niya 780 mm. Tapos yung height niya 1,305. At wheelbase naman niya 1,405. Ground clearance 135 mm. Seat height naman niya 760 mm. Ay dry weight niya naman ay 190 kilos. Itong ano niya, di ka na mabibitin sa ano niya, sa torque niya, kasi 40 Nm torque na 7,000 RPM. Di ka na mabibitin doon sa 40. Sa 40 siya. At yung seat height naman niya ay 760 mm na nagre-range siya ng abot po ng 5.4 to 5.756 ganyan. Gas 6 footer, abot pa to. Kaso yung 5.4 medyo di ma-flat po dahil sa tiptoe siya low to ground clearance. Yung height niya kasi 1,305 ang height niya, yung taas niya. Tapos yung battery niya man 12 volts. Tapos yung front suspension niya telescopic fork na. Na may TFT display, hindi pa. Turn monitoring at fuel indicator, gear indicator. Meron siyang may heated grip siya. Dito ko na tapusin ang aking vlog. Thank you for watching this my vlog. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking vlog na to. Sana mag-comment. Sana may natutunan kayo sa comment sa vlog ko nito. At patuloy tayong mga bata umangat sa mga natin pangarap natin. At don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Lalagay ko sa tips. Don't forget to follow us my social media account. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates, for more upload this my video. Thank you for watching this my vlog. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. Babush.